Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the music and sound effects on the Pocket Love Qt Live Sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And here, tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Here in the music and sounds effect, just pile the dot and done. The music and sound effect is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.